This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. Why don't I have a credit score? When you check your credit score, you provide personal identification information such as your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. This information is used to find your credit bureau record at one of the 3 main credit bureau companies. If all goes well, your record is found and used to calculate your credit score, which then is communicated to you. But there are cases when your record cannot be found because either it does not exist or you provided wrong or outdated personal identification information. You should particularly double-check the social security number and date of birth, but also try an older address if you don't get a score with your current address. If it is confirmed that you do not have a credit bureau record, then you have never dealt with a bank or a company that reports to the bureau. This makes you credit invisible. People who are credit invisible usually get automatically denied when applying for financing unless they accept to pay extremely high financial charges, put down security deposits, or get a guarantor. There are also cases when you don't get a credit score because your credit bureau record does not have enough recent credit activity in it. In this case, you are credit non-scorable and again will likely face difficulties when applying for financing. So if you are currently credit invisible or credit non-scorable, it's time to get going and find out how you can build and maintain good credit. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wifiapp.com.